Hi everyone, solve for x in this nice exponential equation. 16 power x plus 1 power x is equal to 81 power x. Let's start the solution of this question. We have given 16 power x plus 1 power x is equal to 81 raised to the power x. Now to make 1 on the right hand side, we divide both sides of the equation by 81 power x, 81 power x, 81 power x. So it will be 16 power x over 81 power x plus 1 power x, 81 power x is equal to, let's cancel with this 1. We know the formula a power m over b power m is always equals to a over b whole power m. So it will be 16 over 81 whole power x plus 1 over 81 whole power x is equal to 1. We know that 16 is basically 2 power 4 and 81 is 3 power 4 raised to the power x plus 1 over 81 can be written as 3 power 4 whole power x equals 1. We can write this one as 1 power 4 because 1 to the power of anything is always equal to 1. We can write this as 2 by 3 whole power 4 raised to the power x plus 1 over 3 whole power 4 raised to the power x equals 1. Okay. Now this exponent multiply with this, we have 2 by 3 raised to the power 4x plus 1 by 3 raised to the power 4x is equal to 1. We have to determine the value of x here. Before proceeding to the next step, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. We write this as 2 by 3 raised to the power 4x plus 1 by 3 raised to the power 4x equals to, this one can be written as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Is it okay? Because if we take 3 LCM, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So there is no issue if we write 1 as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now by comparing, we will take this into this as the first case and this into this is our second case. So case 1 is 2 by 3 raised to the power 4x equals 2 by 3. Okay. By comparing, this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 same basis, so 4x will be equal to 1. Divide 4 on both sides 4 cancel with 4. We get the value of x, which is 1 by 4 from the first case. Now second case, we have 1 by 3 raised to the power 4x equals 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 raised to the power 4x equals 1 by 3. This is also written as 1 by 3 raised to the power 1. So by comparing, we have 4x equals 1. Divide 4 on both sides. We get the same value of x equal 1 by 4 as in the case 1. Now we will check this value whether it is correct or not. We have given equation 16 power x plus 1 power x equal 81 power x. So we'll put the value of x in the three exponents. With 16 power 1 by 4 plus 1 power 1 by 4, 81 power 1 by 4. We can write this 16 as 2 power 4 raised to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 raised to the power 1 by 4 is 1. 81 can be written as 3 power 4 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, 4 cancel with 4, 4 cancel with 4, 2 plus 1, so 3 is equal to 3, mean left hand side equal to right hand side, and our value of x, which is 1 by 4, is correct. So this is our final value and answer, x equal 1 by 4. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.